Toyota Camry is one of the most popular midsize sedans in the world, known for its reliability, comfort, and strong resale value. Produced by Toyota since 1982, the Camry has built a solid reputation as a dependable family car that balances performance, fuel efficiency, and practicality. The latest models of the Toyota Camry offer a sleek and modern design, with sharp headlights, a bold front grille, and a smooth body shape that gives it a premium look. Inside, the Camry is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials and user-friendly features. It typically seats 5 people and offers a good amount of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Under the hood, the Camry comes with a choice of engines. Most models feature a fuel-efficient 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine, while higher trims offer a more powerful 3.5-litre V6 for those who want extra performance. There's also a hybrid version available that delivers excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for city driving and long commutes. In terms of technology and safety, the Toyota Camry includes a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all part of Toyota's Safety Sense package. The Camry is known for its smooth ride and responsive handling, offering a good balance between comfort and control. It is also one of the most reliable cars in its class, with low maintenance costs and a reputation for lasting many years if properly maintained. Overall, the Toyota Camry is a smart choice for those looking for a stylish, comfortable, and dependable midsize sedan. It continues to be a top pick in its category for families, commuters, and anyone who values long-term reliability.